If your car has higher ground clearance, then you probably need a decent running board along with a few other accessories to increase the safety standards of your vehicle as well as make it easier to access for everyone. A high-quality running board will offer a safe footing for older folks and kids to allow easier entry to the car, and also will protect your door from external impact and keep the lower portion safe from impact when you are driving on a rather dusty road. So, when you look into getting a compatible running board installed on your vehicle, you need to keep a few important factors in mind. First, the material. Second, the right size. And third, the type of running board. Hi guys. Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best running boards for you today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. On number 5, we have the Westin Pro Traxx 4 Oval Nerf Step Bars. Westin Automotive makes 30 different assorted designs of running boards, step bars, and Nerf bars. We picked their 4-inch diameter Pro Traxx 4 model as one of the simpler and more affordable options in their lineup. Westin Pro Traxx 4 Oval Nerf Step Bars feature a bold saddle-mounted step pad with deep paved waterways that keep the step area dry. Their texture makes them great for scraping mud off of your shoes so your interior stays cleaner. These step bars have fully coated seamless domed ends with 30-degree OI-style bends. They're available in various lengths and diameters. Choose either polished stainless steel or black powder coated steel. The tubes are a full 4 inches in diameter with injection molded polymer step pads. Order the model that fits your specific truck. For most applications, installation is bolt-in with no drilling required. A mounting kit is included with the purchase, offering durability, functionality, and great looks. Westin Pro Traxx 4 Oval Tube Nerf Step Bars just can't be beaten. You'll have to decide if you like the look and expense of the stainless steel version or black E-coated mild steel. If you're in a coastal area or expecting heavy use, we'd choose the stainless, as rust is a common issue on all brands of step bars. Coatings are also susceptible to being blasted off by grit and rocks as miles of driving accumulate. Westin stainless steel Nerf steps have a limited lifetime warranty on materials defects, versus 5 years for black finishes. We aggregated over 1,000 reviews of different fitments, and the Pro Traxx 4 scored a very good 87% positive. Number 4. N-Fab RKR Step. Best side steps. It is available at a reasonable price of around $110. A side step is the simplest option for adding a step-up assistant. The N-Fab RKR Step is low cost, very simple to install, and ruggedly built. The RKR Step Bars are compatible with N-Fab's RKR rails if you choose to add a Nerf bar. They're also backed by a 5-year warranty. Sold in pairs, this RKR Step system includes detachable side steps on the 1.75 inches tubular steel with 0.120 inches walls, and is finished with a good-looking textured black powder coat. These lateral add-ons are suitable for application across the spectrum of rugged pickups, Jeep, and SUVs, including Hummers. Virtually all reviewers say these steps are extremely simple to install. There are 2 bolts for each step, and most trucks have mounting locations pre-drilled. These steps are even compatible with trucks that already have bars or rails installed. The well-built thick steel is appreciated. A few customers note that N-Fab stamps its logo onto each product, and some don't like the appearance. This stamp also somewhat impacts the durability of the product. Number 3. APS iBoards. The best value running boards. It is available at a reasonable price of about $270 for the 6 inches running board style. APS is one of the most popular running board manufacturers. The company's choice descriptor for its iPhone-inspired design might seem far-fetched, but it's reflected in its clean and fuss-free design. But above all, they're very functional thanks to their corrosion-resistant 6061 T6 aluminum construction, 300-pound weight rating, and 5-inch wide stepping surface. APS does offer a wide variety of running boards for all kinds of trucks, so it's best to make sure to find the one engineered for your specific vehicle. They're available in 5, 6, and 7-inch widths, which is useful for trucks with a lot of curves in the lower bodywork. Not all widths are available for all applications. The running boards themselves are fairly low profile, but in many applications, the brackets hold them fairly far out from the vehicle, and both the brackets and mounting hardware can be visible. Depending on your vehicle, you may need to drill and tap holes. If so, you'll need your own drill, bits, step bits, and tap wrench, but not taps, which are included. Users say the hardware is good quality, but the included instructions can be vague. Customer satisfaction is overall very high with the running boards, less so with customer service. There are higher quality running boards available with longer warranties, but they can easily cost twice as much as iBoards. Ratings for iBoards are generally in the 90 to 93% positive range, although a few fitments are lower. Number 2. Tyger Auto Star Armor Kit. Our most heavy-duty option. It's priced at around $450. Most running boards support 250 to 300 pounds, but the beefy Star Armor set of Nerf bars with side steps from Tyger Auto is rated at 500 pounds, thanks to a reinforced truss-like triple tube design. The lower rock rail style 2-inch diameter tubes, with 0.120-inch thickness walls, help to protect rocker panels from damage while off-roading, and help to slide over obstacles. To resist corrosion, Star Armor Nerf bars have sealed ends and coated interiors. The exterior is dual-stage powder coated for a slip-resistant surface, and all have laser-cut star pattern steps for the appropriate number of doors for your vehicle. They're available for most late-model Jeeps and full-size pickups, along with other models popular for off-roading. With heavy-duty performance comes heavy weight and a higher price. Models for 4-door trucks can weigh over 50 pounds each, which both makes them hard to install and contributes to your overall weight. Some people reported that the side steps could use more texturing to provide a better grip in slippery conditions. They're expensive but generally priced lower than competing premium brands. We didn't see any models with over 100 reviews that had a less than 90% positive rating, and many are over 95% positive. Tyger Auto is based in California and has a US-based toll-free number for customer service. There are additional web forms for technical support, and you can upload photos to help. Tyger advertises no-hassle support for their 5-year warranty on materials, workmanship, and finish. They pay shipping for returns if you keep the original packaging. Installation instructions and some videos are available on their website. Tyger Auto running boards are made of the highest quality materials and are easy to install with simple bolt-on installations. Number 1. Amp Research Power Step. Our premium pick in this list. It's available at around $1,500. The Amp Research Power Step is the most expensive, but most advanced running board on the market. What makes this running board different from typical running boards is that it is electronic and retractable, folding under your truck for improved ground clearance. The Power Step works automatically, extending when you open your door and retracting once closed. If the standard Power Step is not thick enough, Amp Research also offers a wider XL model. These running boards include LED puddle lights and an anodized PTFE-coated finish for improved durability and corrosion resistance. The Power Step is also backed by a 5-year or 60,000-mile warranty. Precision, stainless steel hinge points and bearings, ensure trouble-free action. The heavy-duty electric motor is designed and tested to provide reliable, maintenance-free operation for decades. Weight capacity is around 600 pounds on each side, and it drops 6 inches. Because they require power, these running boards have a more involved installation process than your typical running boards. To install them yourself, you will need some wiring knowledge, though customer reports indicate the setup process is not especially difficult for the layperson. Most reviews for the Amp Research Power Step are glowing. Drivers frequently mention Amp Research's customer service and how diligent the company is. Customers state that the company will honor its warranty, though some forewarn others that not all parts are covered under warranty. Reviewers say these running boards are very sturdy and they like that they extend lower than other running boards. Because it retracts when not in use, the Power Step is able to dip lower without hindering clearance while driving.